What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad in the house, and today we got a 2014 Mercedes E-Class 350 4MATIC station wagon. And I hate to make videos like this because unfortunately we're not gonna rebuild this car. This is the kind of cars that you guys don't want to buy. As you guys know already, we buy and sell cars. We buy cars from Copart and IA insurance auction, and we only buy cars from insurance company. We never buy third-party cars. So our customer decided to go ahead and purchase the car on his own without talking to me and doing more research. And with salvage cars, you gotta do your research. You gotta know exactly what you're buying and from who you're buying, because there's a lot of scams going on. I don't know if you call it a scam or not. They buy them from insurance companies with more damage. They'll repair them, partially repair them, and throw them back at the auction. And with this car, this is exactly what happened. And customer gonna lose money on it. He bought it using a broker or something. He bought it and shipped it to us, and before I started doing any kind of repairs, I did my own homework on it. I ran this car through all my sources that I usually use to buy a salvage vehicle, and it came back that this car was doctored up. It had a front end collision. So as you guys could see, they repaired the front end somewhat and then made this side look like a broken headlight and part of this damage. So pictures, it doesn't look as bad, you know. Clean car, side collision, right side, new door, possibly quarter panel, maybe we could fix it or not. But he didn't realize this whole car's been doctored and butchered. On the pictures, the interior looks good. Interior is completely trashed. Everything is broken inside, so everything's ripped out here, no covers, airbag deployed. Up here, this is broken, the watch is broken, missing buttons. This is broken as well, there's no button here. And then this glove box doesn't close really like tight, so it opens up like something's missing here. It looks like they took some kind of a computer. Interior, for the most part, it looks okay. Car only has 25,000 miles, so the customer looked at it. It's a 4MATIC. He's from East Coast. He's like, perfect, this is my kind of car. 2014, 25,000 miles, black on black, fully loaded, heated seats, AC seats, and it's a 4MATIC, so all-wheel drive. So he said this car is perfect, and then he brought it to us, and unfortunately we're not going to repair this car because it doesn't make sense. By the time he fixes this whole car the proper way, you're better off going and getting a clean title used one with no damage. So, and he paid little too much for it. He paid around 10,000, and we're gonna try to recover some money back. So I'm gonna clean this up and take it back to the auction, and hopefully we'll get, I don't know, some of the money back. But I told them you're gonna lose some money on this car. So please guys, before you buy anything, do your homework or send me some pictures, the stock and number. Let me do my homework. I've been doing this for a while now, and I know all the tricks in the book, you know. So to get a clean car, you gotta do your homework. Unfortunately, I hate making videos like this, but I feel like I had to make a video just to give you guys a little education on the salvage cars. It's a scary business out there, especially once you buy something and you pay top dollar and then you get a complete pile of shit. Excuse my language. And yeah, so we'll clean it up. We'll make her look slightly better, presentable, and we'll send it to the auction and we'll see what happens. And I feel bad whoever's gonna buy this, but there's nothing I could do. Personally, I hate sending cars back to the auction. Me personally, I never, ever in my life bought a car where I had to send it back to the auction. Every car that I bought, I made it 100% perfect, and I retailed that car. And this is not gonna be 100% perfect. To make this 100% perfect, you gotta have to pay a pretty penny. So it is what it is. he learned his lesson. Let us do my job and I'll get you guys the best car. So I'll show you guys the car once I clean it up, and we'll take it to the auction together. So that's a little message to you guys. Hopefully this video is educational and you guys got something out of it. If you look at the picture, it's like, oh, not a big deal, you know. Just missing the mirror, so a new mirror. Damage over here. This whole upper roof got all damaged as well. And then in the pictures, you can't see the quarter damage. It's like, oh, nothing bad, you know. But you're gonna need a new quarter. Door. This door possibly could repair. So just a sketchy car. Engine seems to be fine, but everything is damaged up here. They just butchered this whole car. All the under shields are missing. Look, they even put a wrong cap, but this is not a Mercedes cap, so they just threw something in. So yeah, this is what it looks like from the outside before the wash. So we'll give her a quick bath and take her to the auction. Little cleanup on it. It looks a lot better. So let's take a look. Yeah, the left side is good. Driver's front side, because that's where the main damage was. So they put a new fender. Suspension's a little off. And they slapped the headlight and they repaired the hood. It looks like it has a lot of bondo and it's all flimsy. And then this whole side. Don't get me wrong, you could still rebuild this car. It might be perfect, but we told our customer, get ready to have an open checkbook, because we can't just give you an exact estimate how much it's gonna cost. We don't know yet that we start working on it, figure it out what's going on with the front end. Then also needs a new quarter, new door, 2 new doors, missing a rocker, rear bumper, tail light, headlights, because the driver's side headlight is damaged too, both of them. So yeah, so it just made sense just to get rid of it and find them a really clean one from insurance auction. Always gotta ask yourself, how come they didn't fix it and try to resell it retail? Something is wrong, so that's why. I personally like to buy cars from insurance so that nobody touched it besides the body shop took it apart, or if they didn't take it apart, it's even better. But this is you don't know what's been done. It went through the shop, maybe they changed the transmission, maybe they changed the engine, put a bad one. You don't know until you fix the car and start driving, and then other issues will start popping out. So we made the decision to get rid of it. You're probably gonna lose a couple of bucks, but it is what it is. And another big red flag from that front right collision where the headlight is busted, it wouldn't make the airbags deployed. On this one, the airbags deployed, so you're like, why is the airbags deployed? The driver steering and the knee airbag deployed, and also seat belt is all jacked up. Usually from a side impact that will never happen, and then from the side impact this what happens. The back seat belt's locked, so this is normal. So both of them are locked, so that's normal for the side collision. But in order for the airbags deployed, driver and knee, you gotta hit the front end pretty damn hard, which they did. That is it, guys. The car is all secured and we're ready to go. Okay, so I strapped it down, 4 wheels, so now we're safe to go. Just arrived to IA auction. There it is. We're gonna go inside, do the paperwork, and then we're gonna unload this car and hopefully sell it. Let's find the closest parking. This is pretty good right here. Yeah, so I'll go inside, take care of the paperwork, but let me show you guys. So this person actually paid, let's see how much he paid for it. Give me a second. He paid $10,500 for this bad boy, so yeah. I don't know how much we gotta get for it. I'm thinking maybe close to 7. If we get, we'll be lucky. If we don't, I don't know. So we'll see. It should play in a couple of weeks and we'll find out exactly what's going on and how much we could get for it. So fortunately, one of those. Hate to do this. Pretty much I wasted my whole Friday. By the time I cleaned this thing up, I loaded her on the trailer. By the time I got to the auction, so it's 3 o'clock, 3:30 right now. So by the time I get back to the shop, it's gonna be 6. So yeah, pretty much waste of my whole day. That's it. I just got checked in. They gave me all the paperwork to drop off the car. They said I gotta wear this vest, and that's it. So nobody hits me. So I always carry one in the truck. So right now we'll go inside and unload the car. I'll try to record as much as I can. I know they trip out and stuff. That is it. I dropped off the car. So right now I gotta attach the key to the steering wheel and leave this paper inside of the car. And we're done. That is it. I attached the key to the steering wheel and then left this paperwork on the dashboard. That we wait, should play in a couple of weeks, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully he'll get most of his money back, but I already told him get ready to lose some money because it's gonna be selling as a third party, and third party cars don't really sell too well. They got lots of cars here, some motorcycle, quads, ATVs. Wow. Just got back to the office and man, it was a long day. It's 7:30 right now. Pretty much wasted my whole day on that car, and stuff like that happens. So don't be a victim of getting screwed on a car that you bought with all your money. If you've been saving all your money to upgrade to a newer car and then stuff like that happens, so reach out to me and I'll get you guys the best clean salvage vehicle as possible. We'll buy it for you, we'll rebuild the car, and if you're a California buyer, we'll register the car for you as well. So simple and easy. I'll put my email in the description, so please reach out and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So for now, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notification because you don't want to miss any new videos. New week, new video. Stay tuned for the Mercedes video, the S550. It's coming. I've been waiting for a couple of parts, so they should be arriving any day now. I want to finish the whole car completely and then drop the video so you guys could see the final look of the car with the new wheels and everything. So don't go nowhere, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!